guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia, and today I will be showing you how to do a cut crease for hooded eyes. But you can always follow along regardless. This is just gonna give you a way to really emphasize the lid space that you have and give you just more of a lifted look. So if you don't have hooded eyes, you're just gonna be looking fresher than the rest of us. All right. This is going to be the final look, so I'm gonna walk it through you, of course, step by step, because I am your girl. I won't let you down. I joined the Rebel fam bam, the crew, the homies, by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. I'm waiting. The time is tick-tocking. Tick-tock, 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 tick. So I'm basically just gonna do one eye, showing you how to do a cut crease specifically for hooded eyes. I've been doing some research and looking up, what's the best way to do it for people that have, a hooded eye, of course. So this is perfect for anyone else that's curious of, how to give the illusion of more of a lifted look rather than accentuating the fact that your eyelid's a little bit droopy. Make your eyes look bigger, make you look more awake. So let's get it popping. So with my E27, my largest blending brush, I'm gonna tap into the lightest shade in my palette. In this case, it's Tempera, so it's a light pale, like a cream color, and I'm gonna rub it all over the lid. And so there is a natural crease, as you can see right here. It could use some work to get a little bit lifted. So instead of following along, we're gonna use the crease line here, as a guideline. However, we're gonna go a little bit above it, and then instead of following down, we're gonna kind of just swing it out a little bit. That will give you the illusion of more of a lifted look where your eyelid doesn't look as droopy and hooded. So my next brush that I'm gonna go in with is my E17. It's just a medium-sized blending brush, and we're gonna start not carving, that's gonna be in a bit. We're gonna just start layering a base color that I can kind of put over my lid, and then later on we're gonna go in with a sharper, smaller, more precise brush to carve out and detail it essentially perfectly. How about flawlessly? We're gonna do it more flawlessly. So we're gonna go in with do a fun color cut crease. So we're gonna go in with red ochre. No one's ever gonna love you like I do. Next, after the red ochre, we're gonna go in with a burnt orange and blend it in a little bit. Now we're gonna go in Tempera. All right, and now we're just gonna blend this out. I'm going in with a burnt orange again. Okay, and now we're gonna cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut it. Yo, it's way too hot. You need to cut it. So with some concealer, Tarte Shape Tape, and the color Light, because I'm white. I'm gonna dab a small, dense, flat tip brush, as you can see, E32. We're gonna get the tip of this nice and layered up with that concealer. That's how you cut it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, cut crease done. Next, I'm gonna put some eyeliner on and lashes and bring this all together. But first, we gotta smoke up the bottom lashes, girl. So with my handy dandy Morphe M213, a little smudger brush, we're gonna go into burnt orange and just start at the corner. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with Realgar, the darker orange, and then Cypress Umber. We're gonna keep it neutral on the bottom. Cypress Umber right here. There you go. And then we're gonna do the same for the other eye. The NYX Matte Liquid Liner for the eyeliner, and then the Worth the Hype mascara. So I will be right back. Voila. I put some gloss on because lip gloss is in, honey. Here is your hooded eye cut crease. As you can tell, it's a lot. But it's not as intimidating as hard as it seems. I feel like this is very intense, but it's also respectable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was informational, fun. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. As always, you do you, all right? And don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. I believe you. Until next time. Bye, baby. Oh, shit.